This is a beautiful sun came up today. This 5:30 in the morning here. I'm up. I always wake up at 5, really about 3, 4 to walk my baby. But yep. Let's look at the beautiful sun. Look at the boat right there with it. It's a good ass view. I'm gonna have to draw this, get a picture of this. But we gonna have some fun today. The ship is getting closer. We moving today, so we leaving today here. That ship is moving too. But we leaving at 6 a.m. so I gotta take my medicine. Oh, look at the little fishes jumping in the water. Oh, look at the little fishes jumping in the water. That might want to go fishing. Oh, that is a beautiful picture of the boat right there. The boat is right there in the sun. Sun rising, y'all. Sunrise here at 5 a.m. This is the sunrise at 5 a.m. It's beautiful. It's beautiful as fuck.